The pig game is played by two players working to score 100 points. You need two dice or two die and a score sheet. The way that it works is the players take turns rolling the dice. On each roll, they add what they get to have their totals for that turn. They can continue taking as many rolls as they'd like per turn. However, if they roll a 1 on one of the dice, they lose all points that they have accumulated in that turn. If they roll 2 ones, so a 1 on both dice, they lose all of the points they've accumulated that far, and they must start over at 0. So for example, I have 2 4, so I would have an 8. I can choose to keep an 8 and let player 2 go, or I could roll again. Now I have 8, so I have 16. Again, I can go again if I'd like. And I have another 8, so I'm at 24. Now I've rolled a 1, so I lose those 24 points and lose my turn. The play goes back and forth between player 1 and player 2 until someone reaches 100 points.